Hi everyone, welcome to my page. This is M.O.B Engineering Service, and we are here to make known to the public of the proper maintenance of the engine. So I just want to show you these few tips on how you can have a proper maintenance of your engine due to the standard maintenance of your servicing process. While changing your oil and the oil filters, your engine is supposed to work at least a particular hours, 1 hours of about 250 hours to about 500 hours of run before you do the next service of changing your oil in the oil filter, same as in fuel filter. So you must know that this is the run hour of your engine in order not to cause excessive damage to your engine, because this can still cause serious damage unknown to you. So while the extended hours that is given for maybe you overuse the engine, it may be 500 to 1000 hours, so precisely. But due to the manufacturer of the engine, you must know that this is the hours that your engine needs to run. Like engines like Cummins and the rest, they are run hours 500 hours to 1000 hours or but engines like Meccano, Perkins, and the rest, if you don't have the meter used in checking this stuff, you can use it manually. Maybe you have numbers of hours you are running your engine, maybe the one you're using there's no dashboard, but you yourself you can use a manual way to check everything out. So you just need to put everything out to get a proper maintenance for your engine. So I really want you to know that your engine is very important, so you must keep it in the right condition and make it work properly for you. So don't use your own arm or your, maybe because of lack of money and resources. So if you know that if you are not capable of doing it, you might still use it for maybe 500 to 1000 hours in order to make your engine last to a proper time. Thank you, and remember to like my page and subscribe. This is M.O.B Engineering Service. We are teaching the public, building a better engineering system. So we just want you to know that this is what we're into, and like and follow our page for more. Thank you.